How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining us on CNY Central. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Mike Brookins. It's Father's Day weekend, the last weekend of spring. And boy, does it feel like summertime. Great news for any dads who have pools or could go boating, or if you have air conditioning. You know, if you don't have one of those ways to cool down, maybe head to the mall or the library to try to cool down, because those places that have air conditioning are a little bit more comfortable, especially on Sunday when we're going to get well into the 80s. Yeah, we made it pretty far into the 80s on Saturday, 85 degrees, but the humidity, at least that was low, but the sunshine was really beating down on central New York. We had quite a bit of it. 78, our normal high temperature. Now the record high was much higher at 93. Didn't find any rain today in Syracuse. In some of the outlying areas to the south and well to the northeast of Syracuse, the Tug Hill and southern sections and southwestern sections of Onondaga County, we had just an isolated pop-up shower. And generally for the overnight, we are dry, especially after midnight, let's say. Through midnight, chance for a hit or miss shower. Should be brief. Best chances to the south of Syracuse and well to the northeast. Otherwise, partly to mostly cloudy, variably cloudy, and some patchy light valley fog forms. Sunday, sunshine blends with clouds, and we should be dry. I know we have that pop-up shower Saturday, so why not Sunday? Well, part of what's coming into play is a system out to the west, and in advance of that, things should be quieter. Some sinking air. So we should be dry tomorrow. A blend of sun and clouds, a lot like we had on Saturday. Warm temperatures and the humidity a little bit higher. It's definitely muggy for Sunday night, mild, humid, and as that front comes in, we're likely to see a few showers and thunderstorms developing. Early on Sunday evening should be mainly dry, but especially midnight onwards, we'll be dealing with some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms. Our dew point scale shows the dew point temperatures now between 55 and 60 degrees. So getting a touch muggy, and that's going to continue to climb well into the 60s over the next couple of days, getting more humid and oppressive. We've got some high thin clouds streaming in from the northwest. There's actually a warm front up here. That front far enough to the north and northwest that we're not getting any precipitation, just some cloud blow off. And here's the main action, the showers and storms out to the west that'll be coming on in about 24 more hours. So we're still influenced by the high pressure on the east coast, nice and mild with winds out of the south. In fact, our low will be at about 3 or 4 in the morning, and then temperatures start to rise later on at night. We'll find a mixture of sunshine and clouds here early on. Warm day again tomorrow, humidity a touch warmer, so great day to be in the pools or the waterways. And then watch to the west. Some of these showers and storms get close to us, and I think through the early evening, we're dry, but towards midnight, a better chance for a few of these showers and thunderstorms. And with that front around for Monday, it's still going to be warm, but we'll bring the temperatures down a little bit, and more in the way of clouds will mean it won't be as warm. So tomorrow, warm at 86, well above average. We'll bring it down to about 81 on Monday. Guess what's coming? We've got a little bit of a heat wave. Tuesday through Thursday, 90 degrees. 64 degrees, the water temperature in Lake Ontario. So right along the lakeshore, it's a little bit cooler. Winds out of the south-southwest, so not much wave action, at least on the south shore, 0 to 1 foot. For the Sackett's Harbor area, Jefferson County, Henderson Harbor, maybe 0 to 2 feet there. On Oneida Lake, south-southwest winds 5 to 15 knots, wave heights 1 foot or less. Water temperature there 68. UV index is a 9 or very high. Wave heights to the Finger Lakes 0 to 1 foot. Overnight, variably cloudy. 62 will be the low and rising late. And then as we go through the morning, we should scatter some of these clouds that we have. It turns mostly sunny, then an increase in clouds later in the afternoon. 86 will be the high temperature. 81 on Monday. We'll find isolated showers and thunderstorms on Monday. More isolated storms Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. First day of summer with that heat in the middle of the week.